Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incompleted. Minute up on the beat, and as you can see, pan on the screen. Yeah, the series that mistaken lefts and rights and centers. It's a some people, as you can see, with their pan cutting up the clothes business. Putting in the comment section where you think about that, because the previous night, where they say the bleaching and all of these things. Now, you know, all of this is because homeboy didn't change homeboy pampers. It's a say, and Lego with the girl phone. You know what I mean? I know Blam is out here, you know, ready for Blam him up, because the two of them go live with each other, you know. Yeah, Blam and King never take Blam serious. Him take him as a joke. But before we get to that, people, I just want to give you an update on Rosalee's situation. And you can see the CPFSA. They're saying, yeah, we took the kids because Rosealee never take this seriously. Meaning, they've been trying to contact her because they've been getting a lot of calls about Rosealee and her youth them. And the last straw was when she said she will unalive them and Jake over man. You see what I say? So them are letting her know, and they can't be saying these things on social media. You know what I mean? And when them see it, they're going to act accordingly. You know what I mean? But Rosealee had the opportunity, you know, to resolve this issue pertaining with, you know, her youths, and she didn't. You know what I mean? They've been trying to get a hold on her, and she said she's just too busy on TikTok. You know what I mean? But me just again a quick update while going for her to go, and she goes back to court September, I think 19th. You know what I mean? Or something like that, you see me? Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. The bag that you're here for. Yes, King Blam and Ivany, you see me?
Where they? We are pull up on you. Where they? Drop your location. Where you at? Drop your location. Drop your location. Let's have a one-on-one. Listen, you want a box? You want a box then? Let's box.
Oh, man, I'll knock you the fuck out. I ain't gonna lie to you.
No gun. Let's box.
No gun, what's up?
Let's box, nigga.
Let's set it up.
Where you at? Drop your location.
Let's set it up.
Where you at? When you want to set up? Nigga, you're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're a hoe. You're a bitch.
You was a hoe.
Listen, a girl strength down. A girl strength, you scared, nigga. You scared. You don't heard about me? You don't heard about me? Anybody talk shit about me, I pull up on them, nigga. You talk shit about me, I pull up on you.
This not Jamaica, bro. This not Jamaica.
I pull up on you right now, nigga. You don't heard about me in Jamaica?
Motherfuckers will
you scared, nigga. You scared. You scared. You scared. You ain't doing shit. You only have girl strength. You have girl strength. You scared. I'm gonna come get the phone right now, nigga. You just talk shit. You just talk shit. Smoke who?
Grab it, bad man.
Smoke who? Smoke who?
Grab it. Come get it. Come get it.
Nigga,
You's
listen.
a bitch.
Nigga, listen. Nigga, listen. I pull up on you right now, nigga. I pull up on you right now, nigga. Drop your location.
Sound like you got two big ass teeth.
Listen, stop the talk. Drop your location, bro. Drop your location. Drop your location. Drop your location, nigga. Drop your location. Drop your location. Listen.
I told you, nigga.
Nigga, you just talking shit, nigga. You just talking shit.
You's a bitch.
You talking shit. You would listen. You know, you're not gang banging. You stupid. You have girl strength.
Jamaica, dumbass.
You have girl strength,
This is
nigga.
not Jamaica.
Nigga, pull up. I'ma drop my location right now. And you pull up. Let's have a one-on-one. I ain't gonna bring my homies in it. I'm not gonna bring my homies in it. That's between me and
homies. I got my homies right here.
You want to put out?
I got my homies right here.
You want a fist fight?
I got it.
You want to go in the ring, nigga?
You want to see what's on his waist?
You want to hit the ring?
You want to
hit the boxing ring? That's what I'm asking you.
He's a bitch.
Nigga, you ain't shooting shit, nigga. I never heard you pull up at nobody. You get charged for stolen firearm. You ain't doing shit, nigga. You ain't committed nothing in Tampa. You're a bitch. You ever brought my niggas in Tampa unknown? Listen, ask anybody about the Jamaicans in Tampa unknown. Ask them about father back.
You talking about unknown in Tampa,
motherfucker.
I'm a Yankee.
You know about in Tampa, motherfucker. Huh? You're a bitch. You're a bitch, nigga. You're nobody. Let's have a one-on-one. All right, if I'm a bitch, drop your location. I'm gonna come get the phone right now.
Come get it. Come get it.
I don't know where to come get it. You said, where you at then?
So bad. Look, he wanna be
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at, nigga?
Hey, man, I would kick it where you stand, bro.
Bitch, nigga. You ever heard about the unknown family in Tampa? You're a bitch, nigga. You nobody in Tampa. You ever about the Renegades gang? You ever about the Renegades gang in Tampa? Fuck you, nigga. You're a bitch in Tampa. Get out of here.
Fuck whoever you're behind. You's a hoe.
That's what you on. That's what you on. That's what you on. Okay.
Man, listen,
drop your location then. Drop your location then. You guys have no stick. You stick. You have stick. You got no stick. Where's your stick?
Come on, man.
Where's your stick, nigga? You don't have a stick.
Come on, man.
You're cap.
This TikTok, bro.
Listen.
This is TikTok. Why are you talking about sticks? What, you the police? Your police ass up. Bitch ass.
You the police, nigga. You the police. You the police. You the police, bitch ass nigga. Look at you. Look behind you. Look behind you, nigga. Look behind you.
Look behind you. Because I literally was back at Vonnie crib and he mad because he wanna fuck. So now he's gonna take his anger on me.
No, you can't stop that.
He's a bitch.
That's my bitch forever.
You understand me?
That's my bitch
forever. So it really
forever.
doesn't matter, bro.
That's my bitch forever. She's gonna always be my bitch. And you can't stop that. Alright? And she kicked you out to put me in. She kicked you out to put me in. She kicked you out to put me in, nigga. And you have to get back that phone, because if you don't, guess what? I see you anywhere, I'm gonna come back at you. So if you don't give the phone, I'm gonna see you, nigga. I'm gonna get back, nigga. You have to get back the phone. You're a bitch. You're a bitch.
I just had you in my wood. I swear to God, I don't know how you talking to me right now. I thought you was dead. I thought you was, come on, bro. I thought you was going.
Oh, that's what you say. Oh, those niggas that they scared of me. Don't you see they're scared of me? They all scared of me. They all scared of me, nigga. They nobody. Ask anybody about me in Miami. Ask anybody about Blamdem in Miami, bitch ass nigga.
Man, you a hoe, man. I gotta restart my life.
You nobody, nigga. Get caught. Bitch. Check. That boy that day. I batty boy that day. A girl strength alone he have. If he drop in location right now, me show him say me a wicked man. Me pull up on him right now. If he drop in location right now, me pull up on him. Anywhere in there, if he drop in, me pull up on him right now if he drop in location. If King drop in location right now, me pull up on him. Me pull up on him right now. That nigga is a bitch. King is a bitch. I'm fucking Ivany now. If he drop in location right now, me pull up on him, bro. Listen to me. I'm showing some eat that dirty people on TikTok. And I know say me come out and use my mind game. Me no pay me no mind. Alright. In can't drop in location, King up eat that bad man. King and nobody, bro. If he drop in location right now, me pull up on him with two mad puppy right now. Go full him up. If he drop in location right now, me pull up on him with two mad puppy. Right now, me show him say man and nobody. Pull up on him with two mad puppy right now. Drop your location. King I eat that, bro. A girl's 20 have. You have to run our phone. You have to get our phone. Any no get our phone a problem. Alright, wait. Wait, man, people. Me soon come back. I plan me life. Me end come back, people. Me end life and come back, people. Because they ban me life. Me end my life and come back.
I'm good on my apartment, them.
Yo, Ivan. If I'm dropping low and work. I might make that money.
Eh?
Can't see that man in a dropping location. Girl spent alone in that boy. A girl spent alone in a Vybz. He pray that. Listen to me. Yankee can't shoot. Yankee don't know if he shoot. I be a white shot there fire. Right now, if he dropping location, I pull up on him with two mad puppies.
Any lock up him get right now at 10 years, him I get him upon 1 year probation. Him not forgetting no trouble, him not forgetting no charges. And I'm calling tomorrow morning because it's late now.
Scared of me.
Me have him probation officer number and me go call him.
Ivan, me tell you, me better than him. I'm here for come there with me. Tell you, call me tell you there with me. Them the dirty dog bed, you know bad. I'm here for there with me better than him. You like bad man. Me better than him. So you have to come there with me. So me body my power like a fear. Me body up, me tell him say my bitch. This is my power like and tell him to drop in location. Man in friend him I eat that. Man in friend him I eat that.
Me know a couple me know a couple enemy for him. I am going to give out him address to them right now as soon as we come
Then I
off.
have to give out the address to any of them. Give address to me. I'm a day with him. I eat that them. Not tell the same I eat that. A big clown that. Ivan, look all of me tell if you come there with me.
Not that right now are different. Me ignorant right now. Oh.
Then some not defend you. Eh? Some I risk my life. Fuck me, I risk my life. I'm not for you.
Phone for. Where you take
Some
me
not tell me I go for your phone for you. Me I go for your phone from him for you. Me I go for me with 2 mad puppy. You have to give me it to me pull up on him with 2 mad puppy with 2 chip up so. And you have to run the phone. Give me your address right now. I'm go for your phone from him. Right now. Send it, can't give me. Me I go for your phone with 2 mad puppy.
You have.
No, not put it on it. Not put it on Instagram. Just send me address. Let me go for
go show the illegal guns them where him have.
2 mad puppy me I go film it. Wait. 2 mad puppy. Can't afraid of me no Ivan. He afraid. Me tell him to drop in location, he nah do it. He get afraid.
Have him
Ask
address.
the people. Send your address, go and give me. Me go for your phone for you. Me I go. Remember send about 3 hours from me. And me can send to a unknown friend them up at Tampa. He mad puppy them up there when him unknown from me. Ask him about it.
I will leave ice over love and go take a plane and go for my phone myself. Me head sick them the way there. Me have a full address. I will leave ice and I will
Come on,
go
me I go please.
to Tampa. And if I feel like you want to spend a couple years in a jail, all I have to do is go down to Tampa and tell them that this young man steal my phone and him have gun in him house, him have gun in the house right now. And we just go upon you unexpected and tell them, see, you will gun for me and them go search it and find the gun them and you go do your blood clot time. Suck pussy girl, yes, over phone, leave. Watch me and down blood clot comment. Eh?
Ivany, listen to me, Ivany. Y'all listen to me, Ivany. Where's the go on? You want me to go for your phone?
He's
in baby.
Me know if him in Atlanta. Why in background?
Me tell him to drop in location right now.
Pull up now. Mama, no one says certain. Tell him to pull up now, because tonight me know them would have locked me up.
Ivany, y'all listen to me, Ivany.
Tonight, me know them would have locked me up. Because me da put my knife to use. Me not run no joke. Oh.
A waste man that there, Ivan. You can't argue with them dirty cruff there. You know, tell you, look what this Yankee dirty boy. Me tell you, come on, I'll go for your phone. You ready?
Blamdem,
You ready for me?
because you know some joke thing, I mean, not a joke thing, a serious thing with the pan right now, you know. And everybody come here start joke.
So not serious thing with the pan. So not serious thing with the pan too. Eh?
Oh.
Now you say I want to go for your phone.
Look at Batty boy. The Batty boy in Atlanta, you're deaf him, they're not blood clot Miami.
No, that's a lie, I tell them. So that's what you say? Eh?
If you picture them now in our background. If them in picture them and in fucking, if people don't know where he live, if people them a fool, don't know where he live, we know if him there, if him there in yard or not. If you see have on green screen, or him there in a itch up in a one spot and can't move from there so, or in a
Me not risk my life here. Yeah, man. I prank you, man. I prank you people. Go suck out them other girl. Me not, can you not rate me? Come me there pick up for you, me there pan. Dirty dog. Come me there pick up for you, I done. Me not pick up for you. Me not pick up for you.
Big dirty stinking.
Me not pick up for you, I try this.
Bumbo clad page to look at dead dude. Boy, you pay for pussy and I get none. Go ahead. And don't come back from my pussy clad page and move from your and go about your business. All dog shit. That's why I can't there. Go ahead. I come on fire. Oh. Cause you think me a ramp with you. Me not run no joke with you neither. You know. Don't come back over here. Alright, I'll tear down. I might just come Miami for you too. Oh. Go on, man. Bumba blood clot. Go on. You can't cost me off. Nah, alright. Watch.
That was very, 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 very clever, my darling. I applaud you for that. That was tremendous. I applaud you for that.
Yeah, but
That was
man,
very...
you have to walk and hide for your face in all fat. Yeah, we see you your mask up and you can't show for your face. Go ahead, I'm move from here, sir.
Yes, that did definitely needed. Definitely needed. Yes, so Ivany, So, yeah, big up yourself. So, you have to talk your mind, yeah, man. But listen now, Ivany. Me know why you make them make you pre-negative. Don't pay them the mind, yeah. Don't make them force you to talk where you know for talk.
Yeah, that them a try do and it's not necessary. It's smart and
Yeah, let's be on the positive side.
you can't send me go to jail again for both threats. Me an idiot that all of them a try do. To make me talk the things them.
Anyway, me gone. Big up yourself. Me go watch you. Me just come up here for laugh after the idiot there. Alright, go and listen.
Me say me no know how one fly get in here and me see if me can.
Yeah, a bear madness. King, if you love your life, return the phone. Simba say, you not about that life. Ivany is, you see me? I had up on probation already. It's sight. Anyway, people are not go along, and it's no longer, you see me? Bless.